If you had a superpower, what would it be?
I would want to fly.
Wow.
Definitely. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you. Is it Ahmed?
Wow. You're the first one to pronounce my name perfectly. Ahmed. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. My name Ahmed. How about you?
My name is Ingrid. It's nice to meet you, Ahmed.
Wow, you've got such a great name, Ingrid.
Thank
It's,
you.
it's not popular, it's unique.
Thank you. It's German.
Wow, are you German or just the name?
I am of German descent, but yes, I don't speak German. I'm South African through and through.
Where do you live in South Africa?
Johannesburg.
Johannesburg, one of the famous capitals there in South Africa. Wow,
Yes,
it seems like a fancy capital
it
there in South
is.
Africa. Uh-huh.
It
Wow.
is. We are very fancy here.
Yeah. How long have you been teaching English here on campus? Because I haven't seen you before.
Since April this year.
Wow, so you're very new, you're fresh.
Fresh meat.
Yeah, welcome to Cambly.
Thank you.
So I'm from Iraq, and I live in Baghdad.
Okay.
Have you had student from Iraq?
Not from Iraq, no. That I can
From Middle
remember.
East?
Yes, definitely from the Middle East. Some of my favorite students are from the Middle East.
Uh-huh. So have you learned some Arabic from them?
You know,
Except Assalamu alaikum and Shukran, because it's a famous one.
no, but I have been listening to Arabic music. So,
Wow. So tell me about it.
oh my gosh, why are all the Arabic songs 11 minutes long or more? They're so long, longer than 11 minutes. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
and we have like more than an hour. Yeah,
I've heard
and
of this one too.
yeah, but it's all about like the mood. And if you want to start to listen to the song, wow, you feel into you get into the mood, and then after like 5 minutes or 3 minutes, the singer will start singing. So 5 minutes just listening to the rhythm.
The intro, yes, yes, we would call it an intro, the introduction.
The intro, yeah,
Yes.
the intro. Wow, what amazing intro. So, do you have like favorite singer, Arabic singer?
You know, I do. Uh,
You know the names?
I think kind of. I think it's Muhammad Abdul. I think.
Muhammad Abda?
Yes, maybe that. Yes, I've only listened to the song maybe 3 times, but I'm a
Yeah.
fan. His
Uh-huh.
voice. He sounds.
Yeah.
He
Warm voice.
sounds
He has
so
like he has,
handsome. Yes.
yeah, and he
Yes.
has like a warm voice.
Yes. Yes. Just a voice for the ladies.
I can sing for you, but I will ruin the session.
You never know, Ahmed. You
I'm,
never know.
yeah, I'm gonna sing you some Iraqi songs, but after listening our songs, you will like shaking your shoulders. You can't handle it. You can't handle absolutely. I bet. So if you had a superpower, what would it be?
I would want to fly.
Wow.
Definitely.
like a Wonder Woman?
Yes. But I don't want to be responsible for people. I just want to fly.
Okay, on a fly, but you've got like a superpower. So what would you do for the people or for the world? Because you are like a Spider-Man or Batman, so you have to be like be beneficial for people. Think.
Suppose, right?
Yeah,
No, I would deliver some things. I would have a good delivery system because I can get places
yeah, yeah,
with flying.
exactly. Yeah, for me, I would like get rid of this virus of COVID.
Yes.
Yeah, and resolve many problems in the world. You know.
Yes. Actually, yes, Ahmed. I changed my superpower.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
I will change it. I will have the ability
Yeah.
to to just grow plants. So
Uh-huh.
like if I had to touch something, a tree would grow. And I would just put trees and trees all over the place. That is what I would
Wow.
do.
Yeah, that's a very good answer.
Yes.
Yeah, and the world will be very healthy after that. Yeah. So that's your secret that you do in your garden.
Yes. Yes.
But be careful if you touch your dog because it will be like run like bigger than your house.
Oh my gosh, yes.
See?
I did not think of this.
Yeah. I have a wide imagination.
Yes, you really do. You really
Yeah.
do. And your house is so cool, Ahmed, behind the blue and
Thank
the
you so
orange
much.
lights.
Yeah,
It
it's
looks so
this is
exciting.
yeah, it like it makes me feel like feel comfortable.
It's so cool.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, Ingrid, I just want to ask you your permission to upload this session on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, and I used to share my Cambly sessions on YouTube to help other people who are still struggling to speak with native English speakers. They have fears to speak with them. So I motivate people. So would you mind if I share this video conversation on my YouTube channel?
Ahmed, usually I'm a bit reserved, but I don't know. I think, yes, yes, share it.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. I appreciate it. I will mention your name and your profile link on my description box. So you will get more reservations through my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ahmed.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I have to leave right now. I don't want to waste your time with me.
Not
I just
at
want
all.
to,
Thank you.
I just want to, thank you. I just want to spread love here in Cambly. Thank you so much. It
You're
was,
welcome, Ahmed. Thank you.
thank you. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. Have a
Have a
nice day.
great day.
Thank you so much. I
Bye.
appreciate it. Bye bye.
Cheers.